Go. It's settled. We got to get the crappie today. Next on the list will be bass, largemouth, then smallmouth. If we can unlock all three of those today, we're golden. We're just literally golden. We already got the bullhead. That was quick and easy. Now we're going for the crappie. I'ma see. I feel like right now for the crappie, we should honestly probably fish with starting out rooster tails. Something shiny, it's in the morning, cloudy day. I'm thinking something dark. If it was like a bright and sunny day, I'd probably go with like a green, but I don't know. I feel like right here, I got a perfect one right here. This black and gray one, I feel like this will be the hitter today. I feel like this is gonna be the winner. Let me know if I'm moving wrong or moving right. I wanna know. I'm kinda just going off of what I got up here, but I might be wrong. Let's see if it works. I kind of like this branch right here, but I'm gonna save that. I'm kind of feeling right here along the greenery. I feel like they might be waiting for some bait fish to pop out of there early morning. First cast, let's see. I didn't really like that cast. You see it right there? That's why I like the bait casters, man. When it comes to like small baits, rooster tails, little paddle tail jigs, anything like that, I always go bait casters. You could just get it out further, get that whip to it. I mean, you obviously gotta have the right equipment. Always gotta have the right equipment, you know what I'm saying? Wait, did I say bait caster or spinner rod? No, I like the spinner rods for it. My bad, guys. No, the bait casters, I feel like they kind of limit you sometimes. It's depending on, you know, the action of the pole, but still, I just feel like sometimes they'll limit you, personally. Let's see if I can get close. That was better. That was better. That was better. I'm seeing a lot of bubbles out here. I might want to cast towards those, maybe. See how it is.
Probably by the trees or structure.
Yeah. What I'm hoping, guys, is I've never fished this spot before. I'm hoping this isn't like one of those things where, you know, every fish over here is so, what the heck is that? Is that a turtle making all that commotion? I think that was a turtle. Well, all right then. But nah, I'm hoping this isn't one of those overpopulated spots where they just feed them a bunch of real stuff, so the fake bait kind of limits you throughout the summer. But who knows? This might be a good structure to hit. Maybe a good structure to hit. There's a bunch of turtles in here, but they're big. They're like monster turtles, like Ninja Turtles. They got some Ninja Turtles in here, man. Personally, I feel like this bait, there's no way we don't catch a crappie on this. I don't think there's one scenario where we don't catch a crappie on this. All right, y'all, we just caught the crappie, so I decided to come back to this spot just to start square one, because I do feel like there was some juicy bass. I want to try to get them, so that's what we're gonna do. Let's throw out the first cast. Hey, if we catch one first cast, it's on to the smallmouth. Let's keep the momentum going, you know what I mean? We already got 3 this video. We're about to catch 3 this video. Yeah, for sure. I just wanted to hit this,
Yeah, for sure.
cause this low-key going in. We got one? We might have one. We might have one. Oh yeah, yep. We got something. We got something. Oh, did he spit it? Oh my gosh. Wait, what? What is going on? It was going in, wasn't it?
Yeah, that looked it. That looked good.
Am I lying? You think there's a way to get like right there? I feel like there has to be, right? What do you think? You think go right there? Oh, there's a path. Wow. All right. Well, since you found it, you go first. Come on, guys. Don't be shy. Don't be scared, guys. You can do it. I'll be right behind you the whole time, I promise. It's probably harmless. Be all right. I'm following you. Don't worry. You'll be right here the whole time. You can trust me. Watch your step, though. All right. I was just kidding. No, like you can go. Oh, the fishing pole. What was that? What was that? Why is that there? Oh, I'm covered. Guess I shouldn't have ran off on you guys like that. Y'all, I don't know how that happened. I hope there's not like poison ivy. Oh my gosh. Got the frog on. I got hit. I did just get hit. I do see some like, I can't tell if that's bluegill or crappie. That red dot?
Yeah, what's that?
I think that's just a leaf on top of the water. Could be mistaken though. Oh, nope. What did it just hit?
Oh my God.
What did it just hit? Go. Y'all, this is why y'all get the 2-year warranty.
Oh my God.
This is why y'all get the 2-year warranty. I'm gonna get a brand new pole. Let's go. High five, guys. We did it. Brand new pole coming our way. In 3, 2, 1. Wasn't a fan of that one. Oh, wait. Got one. There it is. There it is. There it is. There we go. Got a bass. There we go. Oh, yeah. He wanted that one. I thought that was a bad cast. We got one, y'all. Unlocked it. Oh, my gosh. You got to chill, man. Little small guy though. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. But we love it. If he can get out. Oh my. Yeesh, that boy is on there. Guy is on there. There we go. Nothing crazy, guys, but we got our bass. Now we can move on. We can move on, guys. Smallmouth bass. Let's get him back in. He just bit me. He's ready. Straight away. Let's go.